This is Kim. He is 22 years old and a former gang member. Professor Irving Spergel writes in his groundbreaking book on youth gang crime that the gang provided Kim with a certain degree of social status recognition and excitement, all factors that Kim failed to get from the society. When Kim was in the gang, he was put on a task to shoot an enemy of the gang. The gang leader was very proud of him.
I går blev en uskyldig dreng skudt på sin vej hjem fra skole.
Kim hit rock bottom and slowly a desire to get out of the gang was emerging inside him. Luckily for him, Frank Jensen had just introduced the exit program for gang members who wants to leave the gang. One day, Kim walked down Nørrebrogade and he saw a surface that attracted his attention. On the wall was written, "We are recruiting people for projects. If you have nothing going on right now, you're probably the person we are looking for. Come in and have your skills detected." In the Cracker Bank, Kim met Lulu. At first, Kim thought she was a social worker, but Lulu was not. She's a skill detective, and she quickly discovers that Kim likes to cook. The day before, she received a call from a project manager who's starting a public kitchen at Nørrebro and is looking for young people to get involved. Kim met the project manager and started working on the project the next morning. Mikkel Larsen, who as an entrepreneur has worked with educational projects trying to activate young people on the butt of society, states that these kids has lost all trust in the education system. Instead, he inspired the young kids to get involved by choosing their own projects. This gives an instant payoff in terms of feeling recognized. This is also the main focus of the Cracker Bank. This is Peter the Cracker. The Cracker Bank consists of crackers like Peter. He's starting up a public kitchen, but crackers could also be businessmen, musicians, movie directors, case creators at Catalyst, students, and so on. The important thing is that they're open-minded yes people who sees possibilities in working with young people like Kim. Kim worked on the public kitchen project for a month and got paid about 5,000 kroner, which is about the same amount as a student or an intern gets in Denmark. When the project finished, he logged onto crackerbank.dk to put his gained skills in his skill account and apply for a new project among the many posted on the website. A few days later, he started on a homeless Christmas meal project on Vesterbro. Now Kim is well integrated in the Cracker community and has gained many new friends during the projects that he has participated in. Yesterday, Luna called him to set up a meeting about his future as a cracker himself. Kim is now ready to help and guide other young people developing their skills.